said just find the probability that x is less than 79 with the population mean mu equals 82, and then population standard deviation sigma equals 5. Okay, so the first thing I'll say is that in order to answer this question, so the question is missing a piece of information. You must know the shape of the distribution. So almost always we will be working with a normal distribution, but that is not the only type of distribution that exists. So we should continue to be precise and we have to say that there's a normal distribution. Okay, so once we know that, we can now start to set stuff up. So it's a normal distribution. So my graph looks like this. A normal distribution has a z-score of 0 in the middle. Okay, what else? So notice that this question is about an x value. So we have to mark off x value. So for x values in the normal distribution, the value that goes in the middle is always the mean. And the mean was 80, with a population mean mu is 82. So that goes in the middle. Next, the question is asking about an x value of 79. So I'm going to mark that off. And in particular, it's asking about x is less than 79. Less than, of course, is to the left. Okay. So now we've got that. So now we've set up all the given information and the question as well. So the question is really just asking us to find the question is asking us, hold on, to find this, because area and probability are the same thing. Now we're starting at a given x value, so we got to go up the ladder. From x, we have to find the z-score, and then from the z-score, we can find the probability. So just as a side comment, notice that in the previous problem, we had to go down the ladder. We were given the area value, and we had to find the z-score. I always say pay attention to what it is that you're given and what it is that you're trying to find. So anyway, back to this problem. We're starting with an x value, that's what's given. Next, we need to find the z-score. Next, we'll find the area, which is the probability, and that's what we're being asked for. Okay, so let's get into it. So we got to find the z-score. So what is the z-score? Z-score is x minus mu over sigma. The x value is 79, the mu is 82, and the sigma is 5. So that's going to be negative 0.6 when you calculate it. So now we've got our z-score. Okay, now we got to go and find the area. And for that, of course, we have to get into StatDisk. Well, you can do it however you want. I'm going to use StatDisk. Let's go whole screen here. Okay. So, as always, get into StatDisk, analysis probability distribution, and we've got a normal distribution. So what do we know? We know the z-score is negative 0.6. Click evaluate. Okay, what did we need? Question was asking for less than, so we need the area to the left. Area to the left, bada bing, bada boom, right there. 0.2743, if you round it, it rounds up. So this is 0.2743. Okay, and that's your answer. Probability x is less than 79 equals 0.274.